Hello and welcome to Cryptonews.
Today is the 14th of March, 2023, and the top news for crypto is as follows.
We're going to Silicon Valley Bank, which today we learn that the Fed is launching an internal investigation to investigate how this bank collapsed and what mistakes it has made, to see if it needs to assign some responsibility, and beyond that for Silicon, we're learning that the FDIC is going to attempt another Silicon auction. The main reason for this is that in the first auction no one wanted to buy the bank and its debts. So they'll necessarily just repeat the process. The shareholders are also suing Silicon CEO and Silicon CFO. And the main reason, the shareholders say, is that they withheld information about the bank's interest rates, making it highly vulnerable, causing it to go bankrupt and lose money. And from Silicon we'll go to our exchanges and we'll go to Coinbase, which disables trading for BUSD. And the only thing you will be able to do if you have BUSD inside Coinbase is to withdraw them. Coinbase no longer offers any services on the Binance stablecoin. But Binance itself seems to be withdrawing from its stablecoin because, as you already know, Binance has an emergency fund called SAFU, which in that fund had Bitcoin, BNB and BUSD. And most of it was in BUSD. And today we learn that from this fund it wants to sell all BUSD, and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum and BNB. And this fund now to consist of these three assets and not BUSD. So that's why I say that Binance is retreating from its own stablecoin as well, and you might want to do the same. Not investment advice, investment opinion. And beyond that for Binance, we'll see that Binance stops withdrawals and deposits of British lira. But this is thankfully nothing to worry about. For inaccuracy, Binance is partnered with Skrill Limited, which is a company that is responsible for making British lira transfers from Binance to the UK. And this company will stop providing these services as well, so if Binance doesn't find another provider, on May 22nd it will have to stop withdrawing and depositing British lira. And subsequently, we're going to go to Gemini Exchange, which just revealed to us that it doesn't have any exposure to Signature Bank. And we're going to go to our NFTs, and specifically we're going to go to Meta, which as you know has put NFTs on Instagram. But after 10 months of offering this service to select customers, it has announced that it will stop offering NFTs to select customers on Instagram as well. And in general it will abandon this project, and as the company says it will look for other ways to offer NFT to its users. And we're also going to go to our DeFi, and specifically we're going to go to Euler Finance, which is a DeFi that was attacked by Flash Loan and had $197 million stolen. And unfortunately this particular DeFi, its TVL from there, which was at $311 million, dropped to $10.37 million. And what's worse is that this particular attack triggered simultaneous attacks on 11 different smart contracts on 11 different DeFis. And I'll have that particular article below in the description so you can see for yourself which DeFis were affected along with Euler Finance. And we're going to go to the crypto market as well, with Bitcoin having a very nice little rally for our time, with the price not seeming to want to stop going up. And the main reason for this rise is that we are winning, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see from this chart right here, these colorful lines are the bank stocks which keep falling. And that black line, that's the black sheep of the economy, is Bitcoin, which just keeps going up. And just to look at this a little bit better here, in addition to Bitcoin and Ethereum going up and all the bank stocks that are going down. So slowly, as you can see, people are starting to see Bitcoin as a safe asset compared to banks, which is not to be trusted. And beyond that, another news about the rise of Bitcoin is that CME Group is opening up melodic contracts for Bitcoin. And to be a little more specific, they are contracts that are compatible with Bitcoin melodic fulfillment contracts. So as you can see, many large investors can have easy and safe access to Bitcoin now. So that's why I think we're seeing this huge surge in the last few days. If you have another opinion, please write it down in the description.
And that was the top news for crypto. Today, 14th of March, 2023.
Let me remind you that the content you watch, it's content created for educational purposes only, and in no way constitutes investment advice, only investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like and a comment, which comments can be replied to at the end of the episode. Be well everyone, have a good day.